my Socialites, this is Kiki and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited being back in another kind of video because I know lately I've been like crazy traveling and doing more like vlogs. By the way, I love my vlogs. I have been like enjoying them a lot. But I'm so excited because for today's video I have something different which I love it and it's related to my hair. Yes, and for this video I want to be reviewing for first time and also unboxing a Blonde wig, and this is from the brand LOLLY hair. Yeah, I just opened a little bit. Unfortunately, with I have seen so far, it doesn't look so good. I mean, not my expectation, but I say okay, I have to do a video for my Socialites to share with them all the unboxing and everything, impression. And yeah, so if you wanna know more about LOLLY hair and their Blonde wig, stay watching this video. Okay, my Socialites, oh my god, I feel so excited sitting here in my place and sharing with you all another video about hair and all those things. You know, I like it. However, the last few videos I have in my YouTube channel have been enjoying a lot, which is more related to vlogs. I don't know, I didn't expect that, but honestly I really enjoy like when I'm traveling, like sharing with you all my crazy parties, good food, restaurant, and good thing, bad things about the places that I visit. So if you're planning on a vacation or something, go check it out my YouTube channel, vlogs, playlist, and you can find them. The last two were in Las Vegas and also in Miami, where I have a lot of fun. But anyway, hello for my new subscribers as well. I'm so happy having you around here. And yeah, as you know, I love everything about hair. I love taking fashion picture from my Instagram posts, playing like with fashion. Fashion is like my top thing in my life. I love fashion and I love to mix fashion with like different hairstyles. Now that I have my hair like long, I have been enjoying a lot, trying different things. However, I like to do kind of drastic change. As you can see in all my others video, I try to do sometimes change with the color and length of my hair using hair extensions. But I was thinking that for this summer, actually, I want to dye my hair like something more light, and I love the blondie look. However, I like it for picture, again, to match with different outfit. But honestly, I'm kind of in the extreme of both sides. Like I like big changes for my Instagram picture, fashion stuff. But when I go in my everyday routine or go for a dinner or go out, honestly, I like to be like more natural. I like to have my hair really like healthy and shiny and, you know, that natural mood, which I really enjoy. However, for the other side, which is more like social media picture, I really enjoy like doing drastic change. However, I was thinking, actually, I read one of my subscribers told me once, why you don't try like wigs? And I was thinking like, oh, okay. I put that inside my head, my brain, and I say, probably I'm gonna try that later. But I think it's the time because lately I've been feeling that I wanna dye my hair, I wanna change like for something lighter. Honestly, I feel like I do it or I should not do it. And I took the decision to try a wig. And I decided I wanna go with a full blondie wig to try a different, completely extreme makeover. And I'm so excited. However, I was looking and researching in internet, you know, on YouTube as well, other videos. And for me, that looks kind of a little bit complicated. The whole process, like applying the glue and everything. Actually, I have to show you. I bought on Amazon all the different products, materials that I need to apply the wig, because again, this is gonna be my first time ever trying a wig. But then the other thing was I was researching on internet about the best brands, and there are many out there, and also some of them they look really good and natural, but they are really expensive as well, like $300, $400, $500. Honestly, I don't have the experience like applying a wig, so I almost purchased one of them, which was like almost $400 because I don't want something really long. I just want something to change the full color. But after a lot of research, I found one company called LOLLY hair, and they have wigs like in more normal price. And I thought, well, for my first try I should try something like not so expensive. So the price that I saw in the page for 16 inches Blonde wig was almost, yeah, $100 with tax and everything was 100 something, like 107 or something like that. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna try this. However, in the picture of that page, the wig itself looks really nice. Maybe because some ladies have them on and everything. It looks really natural and cool. The whole area here, the lace, it looks really natural and well done. But I just got my box today. It wasn't what I was expecting in those pictures, but I wanna show you just right here so you have an idea how these brands, in this case LOLLY hair, they looks in real life. Okay, my socialite, here in this paper I have the description of the wig that I got, and let me read it for you really quickly. And the brand again in this is LOLLY hair. The description is HD transparent 613, which is the blondie color, body wave, blondie, and it says some number here is 13 by 4 by 1. I didn't know what was that, but I did my research. I want to explain you soon. And then it says lace front human hair wig. So this is human hair wig. Also, I didn't want to, even though I didn't want to spend that much money, I didn't want something like it wasn't like real human hair, like synthetic hair. I didn't want that neither. So that's what I decided, like $100 for 16 inches wig. It's like reasonable price, right? So to try a little for first time, so I decided going for this specific product, and the density is like 180% of density. So yeah, now let's go ahead and open the package. Okay, talking about the shipping, it took around 7 or 8 days, I would say. It wasn't that much. It was kind of weak, so it wasn't bad. And when I was tracking my product, this product came from China. So yeah, that's what it takes, like kind of weak. But this is the package from FedEx, and this is the first thing that I want to show you, how the package just arrived. In which condition when I opened today, it was like that. Completely, it wasn't open here, I just opened it here today, but it was like that, all broke, falling apart, like that. Like it was really, I don't know, during that shipping I have a lot of trouble. But anyway, this is the box. I mean, it's a cute box, it's just completely mess it out. Have some I don't know, instructions, I guess. I haven't read it, but yeah, some instruction here in the back. And when you open the box, here's the wig. Okay, the first thing that you're gonna find is a wig cap. However, I already bought another on Amazon, which looks a lot better. But yeah, at least they send the wig cap. And then this is the wig. It came in this plastic bag. And it says here 16, which is 16 inches. Yeah, the code, whatever. Also it says this is a T-part wig. So the lace, you know, is here in the T-part. It's not like you can move all around. I thought it was that kind of as well. But again, it's just $100 wig, so still, I cannot be so complain. So this is how it came, the product. It's really yellowy, which I don't like it. I like something more like, you know, grayish white. Anyway, you have this little net here. And this is how they would look. It came with something inside here. It's paper. And also some clips here where the lace is. Let me take it out. Let me take it off. Okay, guys, this is the wig. Honestly, it look like fakey. Honestly, I don't know if because it's a blondie wig. Again, this is my first time, so probably I would say stop that. I don't know because I haven't tried this. I don't know how it works, but this is how it looks. You have the lace here. So the thing that I told you, this is 13 by 4 by 1. So what I read, it means that is 13 inches with the lace, which is side by side. And you can see here, once you put it in your hair like that, I mean, you have the lace all the way from here to here, all 13 inches, because some of them, they are just like 4 inches, just here, and you cover your hair like that, I don't know. But this is 13 inches. Then by 4 is the length of the, here in the crown tip part. So this is 13 by 4 by 1. Okay, by 1 is just the rest here. So let me see if you can understand better like that. So it's 13 all the way like that, 4 inches, which is the tip part, and 1 inch, which is the space in the front, in the rest, like 1 here. So yeah, let me brush it. I mean, well, it have a strong smell of obviously a lot of product, you know, have been processed a lot, I guess. But yeah, also the hair is not so healthy, as you can see here. Oh, you can see, because it's a lot of broke hair. You can see there, like that. But again, it's a blondie hair. I guess when you do that to your natural hair, that happen a lot. But it feels soft, I have to say, it feels really soft. It looks shiny as well. Let me open how it looks. You have some kind of different layers here. You can see inside. Also you have with, I mean, it brings 4 clips. This is for the back part, this is one side, and this is like in the middle of your head. And also you have this, you can kind of secure the wig even more. So all the finish inside is not so bad, honestly. I have to be honest. It doesn't look bad inside, it looks like well done. However, this part is which I don't feel looks so nice. Probably because I had been watching other videos where this part here goes very natural. This looks so like, I don't know, like one straight line, which I don't like it, but I'll do my best to use it and do an extreme change with this wig. Again, this is gonna be my first time, but I'm so excited to try kind of full blondie hair for a photo shoot. Also, I wanna style this wig in a more natural way probably. But yeah, in my next video I also wanna be trying this Fanola no yellow mask, which help for that yellow wig color, which I don't like it. So yeah, I wanna do that. Also, I wanna style my wig and I wanna do the whole extreme change. Do my photo shoot for you all. You definitely can check my Instagram, Kike Society. Yeah, remember I've been using Fanola. I love this brand and this product. And also you can check in my Instagram. There is in my bio the link where you can get discount with Fanola product because they are amazing. However, we'll be testing this one, which is more related for blondie hair. For those people who has blondie hair, wanna know if the no yellow fanola mask works, I'll be doing that. But yeah, I'm so excited, guys. Remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share, comment. Also, if you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I'll be start working the whole process of this wig to make it look nice. And yeah, I hope you like this video again, and see you in my next video.